guys, it's Steven from Fratelli. I know it's not as easy and safe to go shopping right now, but we're still gonna make an awesome homemade sandwich from scratch with some pretty random ingredients that we have laying around here. It's gonna be a pretzel crusted chicken breast sandwich on a homemade Greek yogurt flatbread pita. Cameron and Courtney, you ready to start cooking? To make the pita dough, it's really simple. I got 1 1/4 cup of regular flour. If you have bread flour, that's great. I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of water, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/4 cup of plain Greek yogurt. Totally optional. I'm also going to add just a little pinch of salt. About half a teaspoon is plenty. And then we're going to give this a nice stir. And dump the entire bowl out there and make sure you get all the flour in there. This dough is good to make about 3 or 4 pitas, depending on how thick and how big you want to make them. I'm going to cut it into thirds. First, I'm just going to lightly flour a new clean cutting surface so it doesn't stick. Heat up a small non-stick frying pan to medium heat and throw it on, and stay around the oven because these will not take too long to cook. Alright, our pitas are done. We're just let them cool down for a little bit and start making our chicken. Before we bread our chicken, we're going to go ahead and pat it nice and dry with a paper towel and then generously coat both sides with salt and pepper. Take whatever pretzels you have, throw them in a Ziploc bag. Speaking of the Ziploc bags, they're out of the regular ones at the store. We got some Star Wars ones, so go ahead and take that, Stormtrooper. That's what you get for working with the first order. For the breading, we're gonna start by dredging it in flour. Get a nice coating on it there. And then we're gonna dip in just a scrambled egg. Let that drip off. Make sure it's nicely coated. And then give it a nice firm press in the pretzel mixture so it all sticks to it. I'm gonna pan fry these. I got some canola oil on medium-low heat because this is pretty thick, so I want it to cook slowly so it cooks nice and thoroughly. Go ahead and toss that in there. It's gonna take a little while to cook, so we got a big thick piece of chicken and we're cooking at medium to low heat, so we want to cook thoroughly through. Just make sure it's cooked to 165 in the middle, then we're good to go. And also, if you made it this long in the video, please hit the thumbs up like button, like the video, and also if you subscribe to the channel, that would truly make my day. I said this was gonna be homemade, so we're gonna make some sauce to go on too. I just eyeballed equal parts mayonnaise and ketchup. Here we go. That little drip, so get some of the oil off of there. Boom, get that. Got some of that homemade sauce. Top it with another pita slice. And this is a giant sandwich, so we're gonna go ahead and stick that in there. And I also made these fresh homemade pickles the other day. The video is also live on the channel, so check that out. Take a little baby one here just to top her off. And there we have a wild homemade pretzel crusted chicken sandwich, homemade flatbread. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm really excited to bite into this guy. I think I'm gonna eat half at a time. It is a pretty large sandwich. If you can, please hit that thumbs up, like button on YouTube. And I was serious before, it would absolutely, truly make my day if you subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe. Everybody stay safe, keep cooking. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and give this a nice bite here. Mmm, 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 mmm.